Yes, I would like to welcome Rajneet Kumar,
Yeah.
a research scholar from Kuvipu University, Karnataka. Sir, please carry on.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Are you audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Sir,
Please
this is
proceed.
Ranjit Kumar from Kuala University, research scholar. I'm going to talk about I'm going to talk about FDA in Indian agriculture issues and challenges. It is not relevant to your seminar, but thank you so much given opportunities. Agriculture has been backbone of Indian economy for several thousand years, and it still remains to be. It contributes to the overall economy growth of country and determines the stand of life for more than 60% of the people over the years. With the advance of industrialization, agriculture contribution is reduced. Currently, it is offer around 40% to the overall production, overall GDP. Principally, India is an agriculture country. Agriculture it is a sector in the mainstay of Indian economy. It is undoubtable the largest livelihood provided, having more than 70% of the total Indian population as it is inhabitants. This sector also accounts for almost 14% of Indian gross domestic product. Nevertheless, then almost all the sector of Indian economy depend upon agriculture sector for their raw materials. Data published by Press Information Government of India. The reveals that agriculture has grown significant during the last decades, achieving the highest ever food grain production in 2011 to 12. Surprising, all earlier record with a 2, uh, 2.57 million ton of food grain, including record production in the case of rice, wheat, cotton, millet, and sugarcane. Objective of the studies. The main objective of the study are follows. The study intend to cover with the FDI include and Indian agriculture and another one to study the challenges of Indian agriculture. India is the largest agriculture powerhouse worldwide and leading producer of spice, pulse, and milk. Not only that, our country has largest area which is used to cultivate cotton, wheat, and rice. Agriculture held almost 70% of share in GDP. Challenges of Indian agriculture. In 2016, harvest and post-harvest loss of Indian major agriculture produce was estimated 92,651 crores, almost three times as high as 2016 and 17 budget for the agriculture sector. About 60% of the fruits of vegetable valued as 40,000 million were lost between 12 to 14. Poor access to reliable and timely marketing information for farmers, absence of supply and demand forecasting, poorly structure of inefficient supply chain, inadequate cold storage. These are the challenges of the Indian agriculture system. Mainly, one of the biggest issues facing the agriculture sector in India is low yield. India farms yield 35% low than that of the developed nation. Average farm size, poor infrastructure, low use of farm technology and best farming techniques, decrease of soil fertility due to over the fertilization of sustainable practice uses, and leading contributed to low agricultural productivity. And in the short term, it directly impact on farmer cash flow and the ability to respond to the fluctuation in the market. Long term, it limits of farmers' ability to invest to their farms' future to the increased productivity and decrease risk associated with the air crops. Inputs such as seeds, fertilizer, crop insurance market information, livestock health support, but also invest to their families and areas such education, healthcare, and training. I'm going to directly findings of my studies. Some of the important findings have been made. Agriculture held almost 77% of the share in Indian GDP as few decades ago. India ranked first worldwide in terms of highest net crop area. India received foreign direct investment equity inflow with the US dollar 9.41 billion between April 2000 and June 2019. Poor access to reliable and timely market information for the farmer. The biggest issue facing agriculture sector in India is low yield. Water resources are limited. So based on the findings, I'm going to suggestion. Based on the findings, some suggestions have been made. There is a need to enhance agriculture activities because of getting the GDP percentage, and government should effective execute the FTA policy in agriculture sector. And mainly information and communication is very essential for the getting market information for farmers. Farmers also get interest to learn about government programs about agriculture. Water resources is very important source in Indian agriculture sector. In this regard, government and farmers get together achieve the different types of water resource for the development of the agriculture. I'm going to conclude that India become a vibrant development in different dimensions. In this regard, government should chance every change every 3 years of agriculture policy in India. And FDI inflow of the agriculture it is very low compared the other sector. Development of ICT is more required for the agri sector in way of achieve will be effective in the globe scenario in the agriculture. India became a strong in economic development and we need development of primary sector. Agriculture marketing is still huge concern in the rural area. In the absence of proper marketing facilities, the farmer depend on local trader and middleman for the dispose of their agriculture produce, which is sold that through away price. So finally, the participation of the government and farmer in India is more essential for agriculture sector. And very importantly, political commitment is very important for the development of agriculture sector in India. So thank you so much given opportunity to present in my paper. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ranjit Kumar,
Yeah.
Kobepu University, Karnataka, for your nice presentation. And next, I would like to invite Dr.